Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We are on Friday the 24th of June 2022. Let's take a look across crypto markets today then. What has been moving? You can see top left of my screens, Ripple XRP has been on the move as we await key decisions in the SEC versus Ripple case. So basically XRP holders are awaiting a court decision. Lawsuit basically could arrive by the end of the week. Judge Sarah Netburn could rule on the US regulator's motion to seal its opposition to John Deaton's request to file an amicus brief as early as the end of the week. So is it a case of a buy the rumor, sell the facts sort of event here that we're seeing? I think basically what we've seen there is a move back into that 0.3870 handle, one of the technical levels that we've had on the charts here in recent times, and we've just seen a rejection off there on this H4 bar, as you can see. So nice spike higher, breakout of resistance. We suggested we'd see a breakout. If anything, I was looking for that downside break, such as the momentum, but with that being said, we can see quite clearly here we're broken out of that consolidation at 0.3345. Nice technical breakout, followed by this buying of the rumor sort of thing, and maybe it's going to be a seller of the fact. Remember, still in an overall bearish environment for macro, so it could be a case of looking to sell here, especially after seeing that rejection there. Ethereum and Bitcoin, everything else is pretty flat on the day. If truth be told, my levels are remaining unchanged from yesterday. Still 1,000 below on Ethereum, and still got to get through that recent high at around 1190, and then a target of 1250. Downside, you're looking at Bitcoin. I've got that 20,000 handle. I mean, that's pretty obvious by now. Don't need to keep repeating myself. You got the 21,125 as well, which we've seen constant rejections off. This is a level we've been talking about. Suggested yesterday to watch this overhead. Failure to break through, you might see the sellers jumping back in. Can they now push it down past that most recent low at 19,775? If they can, of course, then we look to see this market move down further. Litecoin, last but not least, 55.1. We've got downside support at 50, continues to come in. Use nice springboard over the past few days at 50. Overhead, we need to see a move now back into that region of around, I think it's around 60. So around that 60 handle now. And then if we can get into that 60 and then look to target around 60, 66 from there. So 60, 66 overhead targets for Litecoin, below support at 50. That's a wrap on today's crypto brief. I'll see you all on Monday. Hope you all have a great day trading. Take care and bye for now.